In this video we are going to check out NordicTrack Commercial Studio Cycle. The best key features of this cycle. 30-day Ifit family membership included. Stream live and on-demand workouts on your equipment. Choose global workouts and studio classes. Add up to 5 users. Elite trainers adjust your equipment. 22 inches interactive HD touchscreen display streams live and on-demand Ifit workouts directly to your equipment. Provides easy stats tracking. Adjustable display allows for 360-degree screen rotation. Automatic trainer control, -10 to 20% live incline matching technology. 24 digital resistance levels for complete workout control. Ifit trainers auto-adjust your resistance and incline. SMR silent magnetic resistance delivers a smooth, quiet workout with every use. Adjustable leveling feet stabilize your bike. 2, 3 lb. Dumbbells for cross-training on your bike.